When a parent is put behind bars for any length of time, the ability to repair or even maintain relationships with their kids is compromised. Now it's even more complicated. In our top story, in-person visits have been suspended for months at Department of Corrections facilities, and it will stay that way for the foreseeable future. To make things a little easier, the DOCR partnered with Securus Technologies to give out free communication for incarcerated parents this week. On a normal day, this communication is available via letters, email, phone calls, and even video chat, but that comes at a price. And although $5 for a 20-minute video session might not seem like much, it can be for someone behind bars. However, during the pandemic, inmates currently get 1 free monthly video chat, 2 phone calls, and 2 stamps a week.
I think we really have to remember that people who are incarcerated are coming back to our communities. Most of them are coming back to our communities. We want to continue to connect them with their children, have healthy relationships while they're incarcerated so they can continue those relationships when they come back to our communities.
And she wasn't sure how many North Dakota kids are separated from their parents in jail, but that data the DOCR and the North Dakota Association of Counties are working on to put together. Last month, we sat down with Sheriff Kelly Lieben about a big strain on the Burley Morton Detention Center caused by a pandemic-era policy from the Department of Corrections. But Sheriff Lieben isn't alone. 6 months ago, the DOCR stopped taking inmates into any of its facilities, including prisons and transition centers. The result, county jails are housing state inmates. So far, state-sentenced inmates have cost North Dakota counties close to $1.5 million. And the executive director of the Sheriff and Deputies Association says it's not just the bigger county facilities like Burley Morton or Ward County jails.
If you have a really high medical need in your jail that really isn't supposed to be your cost, it's the state's cost, it could be very devastating to a county budget.
During a legislative budget meeting yesterday, a DOCR representative told lawmakers the department has reimbursed counties to the tune of $971,000 out of the about $1.5 million using CARES Act dollars. He says until there's a vaccine, this will be the way things operate for now. That brings us to our COVID-19 North Dakota Watch with the latest case numbers from the Department of Health. North Dakota reporting a record high of 508 new daily cases of the coronavirus, bringing the overall total here in the state now to 17,230. 2 new deaths were also reported, a woman in her 90s from Burley County and a man in his 90s from Burley County. Both had underlying conditions, bringing the total state death count to 184. The total number of active cases in the state is at 2,986, and 77 people are currently hospitalized. As we take a look at the new cases broken down by county, Burley reported the most with 84. Cass had 77, Grand Forks saw 66, Stark 57, Ward with 52, and Morton County had 33. You can find the new case numbers of your county along with the latest information on the coronavirus on our website. That's kxnet.com. As the number of positive COVID-19 cases, quarantined staff members, and student absences continue to rise, superintendents from both Hazen and Beulah announced yesterday that high school students in Hazen will move to distance learning entirely, while K through 8th grade will continue school face-to-face. The high school in Hazen will resume face-to-face learning on October 1st. All extracurricular activities are also suspended until then. Beulah will stay with its current learning plan, which is 4 days of face-to-face learning and 1 day of distance learning.